Lady Gaga brought her supervillainous style to the Los Angeles premiere of Joker, Folie à Deux. The singer-slash-actress, who plays Harley Quinn in the sequel film, showed off her fiery red hair and bleached brows at the TLC Chinese Theater on Monday, September 30th. Gaga, 38, arrived in a black Celine by Hedi Slimane cape shoulder flounce dress with a daring slit that showed off major leg, as well as the fishnet stockings underneath. Her sky-high latex platform pumps could also be seen as she walked the carpet. Oversized layered sleeves brought volume while a statement red, silver and green necklace added pops of color. Gaga added a pair of black stud earrings, plus a single bracelet and a ring to round off her dramatic glam for the evening. Her LA premiere style was reminiscent of her London premiere look, where she donned another dramatic Celine by Hedi Slimane gown that had a similar silhouette. The red dress featured dramatic shoulders and a pleated floor-length skirt. Her hairstyle, a black bob with red highlights, coordinated with the bright gown. The actress was dripping in Tiffany & Company jewelry, including a Jean Schlumberger by Tiffany Bird on a rock brooch and a Vigna ring. She matched the ensemble with turquoise eyeshadow and sparkling jewels that looked like a teardrop. He proposed. Joining Gaga at the September 25th event was her fiancé Michael Polanski, who wore a classic black suit also by Celine by Hedi Slimane. Later that same evening, she changed into two chaotic outfits that were Harley Quinn-esque. The first outfit was a striped navy mini dress with diamond-patterned tights and platform heels. That same night, she also donned a colorful sleeveless bodysuit patterned with pictures of faces and stockings to match. Silver platform shoes and sunglasses rounded out the outfit.